Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace a product on Amazon. Whether you received a defective item, the wrong product, or something damaged during shipping, Amazon makes it relatively straightforward to request a replacement and get the correct item sent to you. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar where you'll find the Returns and Orders option. Click on it to access your order history. This section displays all your recent purchases and allows you to manage returns and replacements efficiently. Now, I don't actually have any orders in my account right now, but I'll walk you through exactly what you'd see next. Once you're in the Returns and Orders section, you'll need to locate the specific order that contains the item you want to replace. Scroll through your order history until you find it. Amazon typically lists orders chronologically, so your most recent purchases will appear at the top. When you found the right order, click on the item itself. This will bring up more details about that particular product. From there, you'll see a button labeled Return or Replace Items. Go ahead and click on that button. This action opens up a menu where Amazon asks you to specify what went wrong with your order. Next, you'll need to select the reason that best matches your situation. Amazon provides several options such as defective, damaged, or wrong item received. Choose the one that accurately describes your issue, as this helps Amazon process your request more efficiently and improve their quality control. After selecting your reason, look for the option that says Replace Item. In many cases, especially for eligible products, Amazon will offer this as a direct choice rather than just a refund. If you see this option, select it to proceed with getting a replacement sent to you. Once you've chosen to replace the item, Amazon will show you the replacement details. This screen typically includes information about the return method and may present you with pickup or drop-off options depending on your location and the item type. You might see choices like scheduling a UPS pickup, dropping the item at an Amazon locker, or taking it to a nearby return location. Review these options and select the one that works best for your schedule. After confirming all the details, click Submit or whatever on-screen confirmation button Amazon displays. This finalizes your replacement request and sets the process in motion. Amazon will immediately begin processing your request on their end. Finally, you can check back later by opening your order status page. This will show you whether the replacement order has been created and shipped. Amazon typically provides tracking information so you can monitor when your new item will arrive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.